Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at Avax. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. Now, if you haven't seen the previous Avax update, I would encourage you to check it out before watching this one, as I'm not going to be repeating most of the stuff that I said in the last video. So that's going to be in the top right hand corner of your video. So click the card, watch the previous update, and then come back to this one. Also, if you want quick TA updates, go into the Discord server. There is a TA requests and answer channel. Go to that channel, request any TA you want, and either me or one of the moderators is going to answer you and give you your update. So yeah, now with that out of the way, let's jump into the daily chart. You can see that we're in the strong uptrend right now, and we're doing pretty good. And we're getting to some targets that I've laid out in the previous videos. And right now on the large Fibonacci retracement that we have over here, we're looking to get to the $101 price tag. Now, I think that is possible in this leg up before we have the next consolidation period, because it would be healthy to have a consolidation after a strong move towards the upside like this one. Obviously, there will be a point where we will start going parabolic on a lot of the projects, and that's when the super alt season is going to start. But I don't think we're in it just yet. I think that's going to happen after Bitcoin has a massive run up in November, and after that, when it starts consolidating, a lot of the Bitcoin market cap is going to be flowing into the higher caps, into Ethereum, and into the shitcoins afterwards. So yeah, look for the 101 price tag, and I would expect us to hit this level. I do apologize about that. I would expect us to hit this level and then have a little rejection back down, and hopefully the EMAs is going to catch us up, and we're going to adhere to the EMAs and break through that resistance level. Obviously, what we can do is we can break through and even get to the 1.414 at the $131 price tag. But, that would take a lot of money, obviously a lot more than it would need to get here. But anything is possible in this space. And hey, if you're looking to take profits, I'm just saying that this is a strong resistance level from which we can get rejected. So it is logically to assume that you may get rejected from this level. I'm not telling you to sell. I'm not telling you to do anything. There are swing traders who are looking to take profits. There are swing traders who are looking to swing this and buy back in at a pullback. So you do what you do with that. I just gave you your levels. If you're looking to buy in and you need some nice support zones, then this $71.64 is a nice buy zone, for me at least. And the 55 EMA, obviously, and the 20 EMA are your best friends, because you can have those little squeezes to the downside with those wicks bouncing off the EMAs, and then you're moving on as if it never happened. So yeah, just have your buy orders ready beforehand. Now jumping into our favorite oscillator, the RSI. So yeah, this trend line I don't think is working anymore, because you can see that we've tested it as support. Actually, I'm just gonna keep it for the sake of having it in case we do bounce off of this. But as you can see, we had two strong bounces off this level, then we broke below it, and we broke below it once again over here, and we haven't had that real backtest of support of this line. So this is where we can hold support. And obviously this green line is what I'm looking for. As you can see, we had some bounces over here in this area, and previous three bounces, you could say, of this area. Well, actually, this one doesn't count. So this green line is a nice support area for your long-term HODL, portfolio. So if you look to enter AVAX and you see this rollover, you see Bitcoin crashing down for a pullback, you can see this level hold perfectly for AVAX. If not, if we do lose this level, right, you can look for the lower support level that we have over here, this green horizontal support line. So not saying that we're going to have a pullback. Obviously, I don't have a crystal ball, but in the case we do have, you would look for this support line, because we held it nicely before, and we've held this multi-month support trend line below as well. So that's it for the RSI. I've covered it many times. You should have that on your RSI at all times on the daily RSI. Now let's jump into Binance. Okay, now jumping into Binance on the daily chart, I do have a bit of a different Fibonacci retracement set up over here. So this is from the swing low in September and all the way up to the swing high in September as well. And you do get your 1.272 where we rolled over from there, went back all the way down to the golden ratio. And now we're moving up towards the actually, we just broke through the, I do apologize about that. We just broke through the 1.414. And we might get rejected from here, right? This could end up being a wick and we just come back down and hold support of the 1.272 because you can see that we're a bit overbought on the RSI and on the stochastic RSI as well. The MACD is pretty overextended. So it wouldn't be out of the question. It wouldn't be out of the question if I said that we might roll over here and come back to the 1.272 where you could find some nice support and nice entry levels as always. Now we do have a cup and handle playing out and we're breaking through the resistance of the cup and handle. So this white line is the resistance of the cup and handle. As you can see, it's a bit tilted to the side because we didn't get rejected from here ideally, right? But we got rejected a bit higher and we went back and created the handle, broke out of that, broke out of the resistance, but came back down into this channel down pattern or this bull flag, whatever you want to say. The bull flag pattern gives us a target of the $100 price tag over here at the 1.618, which is a very nice target to take profits at if you're looking to take profits, obviously. Then this light blue trend line that I gave you in the last video, I think it was the last video or the video before that, it did hold as support here October 30th and October 31st. So I gave you that, and if you bought in at that, you're up 40% right now on Avax. Because I said if you were coming back down on Avax, look for this light blue trend line to hold as support, and that's exactly what it did. You also had a nice bounce from the 55 EMA as well, so that would have been a nice entry point for you. But yeah, I'm looking to get into this 1.618 potentially in the next couple of days, and that's where we see a little rollover perhaps. Or we can go absolutely parabolic like Solana and you know, get to the second fib level over here and get rejected from there. So you never know when you're going to get rejected. It's just that you have to know when you want to sell, right? If you're looking to sell at $300 or $500 per AVAX, whatever it is, just hodl, man. That's your strategy. Good for you. Just do what suits you best. But I'm giving these sell targets for people who are actually looking to take profits right now at this minute. Right? Not everyone is waiting for the end of the bull market. Not everyone is you know, having these bags till the end of the bull market. Some people are just, you know, flipping coins and taking small profits off the table. So I'm just giving those people some nice resistance level, and it's up to them to choose whether to sell or not. Okay, and like I said, the stochastic is overbought. The MACD is pretty overextended here, so we might be turning bearish for a couple of days. You can see that we're getting overextended, but this still doesn't mean that we don't have any room to grow. We can still get overextended all the way up to 85 on the RSI, and then we have the pullback. So potentially I would wait a bit right now. I wouldn't be selling my AVAX straight away. I would just have the sell orders at $99.5. That's what I would do. And yeah, that's pretty much it for AVAX. You have your long-term targets. By the way, the cup and handle pattern target, let me just give you that. So you have that already from the bottom of the cup. Okay, so you're breaking out from here. That gives you a target of pretty much $130, right? You're getting to the you're getting to the second fib level over here. So I'm just gonna mark that. The price tag. There we go. $130 is your target from the cup and handle pattern because you're finally breaking out of this resistance. Right? You can see this resistance. We've tested it once, twice, broke above it, and then couldn't hold it as support, broke below it, then back tested it as resistance, broke down into a channel. And right now we're breaking up, and hopefully this time we're breaking out of it for good. We can have a back test of support later, and we can take out those targets, right? So $100 and $130 are your main targets at the minute. The 1.618 and the second fib levels respectively. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. If I missed out anything on the charts, please let me know down below in the comment section. Oh yeah, and we do have the Elliott wave theory obviously over here with our wave 1, wave 2 low, wave 3 high, the monster wave 3, then the deep wave 4 pullback, and now we're looking for the parabolic rise for the wave 5. The wave 5 can be as high as wave 3 or even higher than that. Depends on, depends on the cycle and the environment basically. But right now, since we're entering this hype zone, the wave 5 could absolutely be higher than and bigger than the wave 3. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check me out on Twitter. Go follow me on Twitter. Make sure to check out the Discord server. Like I said, a lot of great TAs going on in there. Make sure to check out the Telegram chat, and make sure to join the HaZeeq Crypto Club. You're gonna get different tiers with different benefits, monthly subscriptions, guys. It's gonna be great. I'm sharing a lot of low cap gems in there, a lot of great projects that you want to be keeping an eye on. So yeah, some of those projects are already appreciating. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.